Hi you guys, it's Nylajai'ne and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And as you guys can see by the title, today I'm going to be giving you guys a tutorial on how to start locks. I have done a tutorial on how to retwist locks, on how to style locks, so you guys should definitely go watch that. But I thought I'd give you guys a tutorial on how to start them, because how are you going to retwist some locks if you don't know how to start them? Obviously you want your clients to come to you to start their locks as well. There are different kinds of ways that you can start locks. You can do instant locks, you can do comb coils, and for this method today we are going to be doing the 2-strand twist method. Personally, the 2-strand twist method is my favorite method. I just like how they look. Yeah, this client booked 2-strand twist starter locks, so that's what we are going to be doing today. I just would like to say that you want to make sure that it is detangled. You don't have to necessarily blow dry it, but you want to make sure that the hair is detangled at the root. When starting these locks, the main thing we're getting at is starting them at the root. You guys will see, just with the technique, you want to make sure that the hair is detangled. So right now he came with his hair detangled, but I'm gonna go in and blow dry it just to make sure that it's flat at the root. It will make the process go by faster when it comes to parting.
Most of these things I don't want to say. I won't be around while you chase. You won't hear me up when you make it. You'll try and come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous.
So my parting method, if you guys have watched my other tutorials, I am going to start off by parting his hair from ear to ear. I'm in the mix of trying out different gels because I use the lock and twist. If you guys see my other videos, that's what I usually recommend to y'all. But y'all, I don't know if they changed up their formula, but the gel is not gelling the way it's supposed to be gelling. It's very like greasy, and I don't know, it's just not the same. I don't know if there's like rip-offs going on, which I know there are, but it's like no matter how hard I try to look at the packaging and I'm buying the gel from stores or online, the gel is just not the same. And who wants to keep paying $30 for gel that isn't working? So I've been using this gel. I'm gonna put it up here for you guys. I'm pretty sure it's called like conditioning neat braid. It's the neat braid gel, guys, sorry. So yeah, that's the product I'm going to be using today. I kind of feel like it works similar to the lock and twist when it was working for me, so that's what I'm using. I like it a lot. For his size, he wanted regular size, so for me that's medium. So that is how we are going to be starting his locks. So what you are going to want, you guys, is gel. You're going to need the comb coil comb, and you are going to need some mousse. You guys are going to need some clips and clamps to keep his hair away. There are different methods that you guys can do this. A lot of people like to use the singular small clips to do this. I personally like to use the singular small clips when I'm doing comb coils, just because it separates differently and it looks different when you use the singular clips outside of the big ones. But that's besides the point, guys, because we're doing the 2-strand twist. So anyway, I personally recommend, especially if they have a good amount of length on their hair, to use the big clamps. I recommend this in a lot of my tutorials because, like I've said to you guys, it just is easier when it comes to making sure that the hair is out of the way, because when you're using one clip on every single section, it just like everything gets in the way, everything gets tangled. It's just a lot going on. So I've already done a few of the starter locks, and I've clipped those away, so I'm going to show you guys how to do it here. So starting off, you're going to apply a little bit of product at the root of the hair, at the root of that section, and you're going to take your comb. I recommend using a comb specifically that you would use to do comb coils. So as you guys can see, this is different from a regular comb. The top of it starts off as being smaller and then it gets bigger, and you're going to take your comb and you're going to angle it diagonally. You're going to angle the comb diagonal, if that makes sense, you guys. So you're gonna put it at a diagonal angle, and that's where a lot of people mess up, is you put the comb in starting off straight, but you need to put it in diagonal. And once you have it in diagonal, you're gonna twist it to the right 2 to 3 times, and once you do that, you're gonna remove the comb and you're gonna apply some mousse to the hair, and you're gonna 2-strand it to the right, and then you're gonna twist that root and make sure that it's tight and secure, and that's when you're going to clip it away. And you're going to keep doing this and clipping the 2-strand twist within that clip until it's too full. I usually put 3 twists in a clip at a time on one row, and then I'll probably have a row of 3 all clipped together, and you guys will see what I mean as I'm going on.
I always want to prove, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop. Cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not bad. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hit me up when you make it. You try to come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop. Cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous.
And then as you guys can see, I have it clipped off in sections. And then once I have finished that section of his hair, I parted his hair in a middle part. And this is basically no different from what I just showed you guys. You guys can sit here and watch again how exactly I am doing this.
I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hit me up when you make it. You try to come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop.
And then once you guys have finished, you are going to sit them under the dryer. I'm gonna put a picture up here for you guys to see what dryer I use, but I sit my clients under the dryer and I put it on the hottest setting for about 5 minutes and then put it on the cooler setting for the last 20 minutes. And so they're under the dryer for usually about 25 to 30 minutes. And you want to really make sure that everything is dry so that everything can stay in place and that everything is secure. Yeah, you guys, so this is the finished product. Make sure when you guys are done with your clients, you want to tell them the maintenance. With starter locks, you guys, you want them to come back 3 to 4 weeks from when they have gotten their locks to make sure that they can keep up with the process and you can keep retwisting it and maintaining it. Once their locks start to mature, they won't have to get a retwist until maybe a month and a half, every 2 months, however long they prefer. But yeah, you guys, that was the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If I missed anything or if you guys have any more questions, please comment down below, you guys. And thank you so much for watching. Love you guys. Bye.